Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry for not uploading for a while. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your key type like this. So let's get into the video. First of all, download Laban Key. The spelling is Laban, like this. Laban Key. Let it just load because my net is a little bit slow. Yeah, so this is the Vietnamese keyboard. Now let's get into it. First you start off like this. Go to settings, then language, then go to display language and turn it to English. Then it will be very easy for understanding everything. Go to sound and animation and put the sound on key press to the highest. Key press sound tone 2. So like this, and the how to get the theme. Go to theme, keyboard theme, then click on my theme, then click on the second last thing, the flat apple, and then yeah, there you have it. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.